Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-smoke and mirrors. Well guys, niyazi ukuthi ke smoke and mirror ke siyaphela kuleli viki elizoqala izophela ke ngomhla ka-10 April 2026. It will be the last episode of Smoke and Mirrors. So guys, niyazi guys ukuthi sigcwele ke ubuthakathi. So into ezokwenzeka guys ukuthi ke uThandiswa kuzogcina yena. That's what I can tell you. Ukuthi uThandiswa is the man of the match. Isona starring ke sale story Smoke and Mirrors because vele ke guys akasekho emhlabeni ke uJason nangu no Martha nawe yayihlanyela ekhanda. So the man of the match guys, it can never be uNgcuka but kuzoba ke uThandiswa. Bathi ke ngomsombuluko uThandiswa uzocela kuLeroy ukuthi akahambe ayokumba ikhwama zika Nomeva ngoba yena ke she is convinced ukuthi igcwele ke amandla okuba protector njenge female. Bathi ke uSonganga inyanga will transfer Nomeva's isikhwama to uThandiswa. uThandiswa enlist uLeroy to retrieve Nomeva's isikhwama as Ngcuka readies a sacrificial ritual. Guys uNgcuka guys uzobe ke busy ke efuna ke ukusacrifice ngoThandiswa ukuthi uThandiswa ke abe umnikelo ke wale moya yakhe ke guys uNgcuka. Bathi ke uThandiswa kuzoba nzima ngempela ke guys, kuzoba nzima for uThandiswa. Sure be hypnotized, I'm not sure if it's the right word, but ke uNgcuka uzomenza amthatha umqondo bese ngathi umqondo wakhe ke awusebenzi, bese ngathi umqondo kaThandiswa awusebenzi kuze kufike ke nodade wabo guys lo sashona kohleze ke emvikela athi siswami ngiyacela ukuthi uvuke ulwe but kubuye sengazi ukuthi uThandiswa is not gonna survive. But ke guys bathi uThandiswa will survive Ngcuka's attack with Nomeva's help. Thandiswa goes into labor at the river la kade bezama khona ke sacrifice khona bese thi uZwelethu ke help her deliver a healthy baby boy. And ke guys uThandiswa benoZwelethu bazoqala ke a new life together without history, without uNgcuka. They don't say ke guys ukuthi ke kuzokwenzekalani ngoNgcuka kodwa nje angeke ke aze awine uNgcuka guys. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share with us ukuthi wena ubufisa ukuthi ke le story siphele kanjani nje most picture in your mind ubufuna kwenzekeni, because vele guys ubulungiswa yibona ngoba phela oNgcuka ehlangene noJason kanye ke nale ndoda babulala ke usisa kaThandiswa. So it time for ukukhokhela ke amacala abo sebawakhokha kabanye sekushelisele yena lo uNgcuka guys. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.